Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 7 maths exercise 1.1 last question, 10th question. In the previous video I had explained all the details till 1 to 9 the questions you can see in the previous videos, but here class 7 chapter 1 integers exercise 1.1 last question. You know, last we are in very hurry, but this question is a little bit you can say this question is a little bit confusing question, which makes confusion to the students, but we don't have to be confused because I am there. I will help you in solving this question number 10. A water tank has step inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The water level is at the 9th step. See here, this is the water tank. Just suppose one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the 9th. Here is the water level. Okay, water is here. Question. Just read the question first. So the water level is at the 9th step. Now question is, here monkey is sitting. This is your monkey. This is our monkey. Okay, the monkey is sitting on the top level. Now question is, he jumps 3 steps down and then he jumps 2 steps up. In how many jumps he will reach to the water level? First of all, he is jumping 3 steps down. Means here he is on the first here top, and on the 9th level water is there. So first he jumps 3 steps down. Means here directly he jumps 3 steps down and he reaches 2 steps up. So he goes here. Okay. Means in one time he is coming again. Means 3 steps down, 2 steps up. First question read. He jumps 3 steps down and then he jumps back 2 steps. In how many jumps will he reach to the water level? So see here, on the first time, in the first jump he has reached to the ladder number 2, right? So now in the second jump again he will from 2 to 3 jumps he will come. 1, 2, 3. So he will come on 5th, and again he will go on 2 jumps up, 1 and 2. So he will reach on the, so in the first jump he was on the second. On the second jump he was on the third. Similarly he will go and come on the third jump he will be on the fourth. Fourth jump he will be on the fifth. Fifth jump he will be on the sixth. Sixth jump he will be on the seventh. Seventh jump he will be on the eighth. And the eighth jump he will be on the ninth. So the first answer of this question, that on which jump he will reach to the water level, right? So the answer will be, as he will go and come. But remember one thing more. Here, in how many jumps will he reach water level? Question is of integer, right? So here, as we go downside, it will be plus, and as we go up, it will be negative, right? So here question is what? As we go downside. So it was on the first step, it was first, number 1, and he gone 3 steps down. So 1 plus 3. First answer we are writing. Okay. First answer 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, right? And he had gone 2 steps up. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Right? First step is equal to 2. Now again 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Right? So what I want to say you is that this was, you can know the first question was, after the first jump monkey will be at third. You can see on the first step he had came on the 4th ladder, and again he have moved, so he will be on the second. Again after plus 3, so he came 5, and then again minus 2, so 3. So similarly on the third jump, on the first jump he came at 4. On the second jump he gone to 2. On the third jump he came. Means how many jump he will do? First jump is this. So remember, the first jump 3 steps down, and then second jump is 2 steps back. So how many steps he will take? First jump he came, he was sitting here, first step, and 3, 1, 2, 3 he came in. Second step on the 2, right? Third step on the 5. Fourth step on the 3, fifth step on the 6, 7th step on the 4, right? 8th step on the 7, 9th step on the 5, 10th step on the 8, 11th step on the 6th. And means you can just remember that here till which you will come here 9th, it is the 11th step. How you will know? First step means you have to just here 2 plus 3 and minus 12. This is your first step. See, this is first step. This is second step. Here, this is second step. This is third step. This is fourth step. Again plus 3. So it will become 6. This is fifth step. Minus 2 is equal to 4. This is sixth step. And 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. This is 7th step. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. This is 8th step. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. This is 9th step. 8 minus 2. This is 6. This is 10th step. And 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. This is 11th step. So first question is what? He jumps 3 steps down and 2 steps. So how many steps he will reach to the whatever? So he will reach on the 11th step. How many steps? 11th step he will reach to the water level. The first answer will be 11th. What you have to do? Well, you have to write first step in positive, means as he is moving steps down it will be positive and steps up will be negative. Second question. After drinking water he wants to go back. For his, he jumps 4 steps up and 2 steps down. Now he is 4 steps up and 2 steps down. So what you will do? 4 steps up means he is on the 9th step, right? And he wants to move down. So what will happen? 4 steps up means in the negative you have to write, right? So first of all you just see here. This was your first question. You can just write it or you can take a screenshot also. After taking the screenshot, now let's come on the second question. What the second question wants to say? He is on the 9th ladder. Now he is drinking the water. After drinking the water, what he wants to do? He wants to go up. So for going up, what he is doing? So he is at the 9th step, right? And he is moving 4 steps up. He is going for that. He jumps 2 steps down, and how many steps he goes up? After drinking water he wants to go back. For this he jumps 4 steps up and 2 steps down. 4 steps up and 2 steps down. 4 steps up means minus and 2 steps down. Okay, are you getting or not? 4 steps up and 2 steps down. So this is the first step, 5, second step, 7, third step, 3, fourth step, 5, so on the 5th step he will be on the ladder, right? On the 5th step he will be on the ladder. So let's check that what's the answer of this. So clearly the monkey will be on 5th step, 5th jump, he will be on the top of the ladder. So this was the question, first part and second part. First part was, as I have told you, he is moving 3 steps down and 2 steps up. So you will do down positive and up negative. So you have seen that on the 11th step he is moving up, and in the second question he will go to the top on the 5th step. Now the third question is what? Now the number of steps moved downward will be represented negative and upside will be represented positive. You can take a screenshot also, or otherwise you can write also. Now let's come, I hope all of you have written. Now let's come on the third. Third question is, what the third question wants to say? Third question wants to say that whatever we have done, now you have to do this everything opposite. How you will do everything opposite? Means in the first and second question, whatever we have taken in the positive, it will become negative, and whatever we have taken negative, it will become positive. The number of steps moved downward will be represented negative, and the moved upward will be represented as a positive integer. Represent these moves in first and second. Now, the third question wants to say you that you can see here in the, this is the third question, first part, okay. So as he moved upside, if the number of steps moves down, negative and up. So he was on the first, as he moved downside, how many? 3 steps down and 2 steps up. Up means positive. So here you can see. Now when the question till the 9th level, how many steps he will go till the 9th? So here you can see, this is the first step, this is the second step. Now continuously you have to do like this only. 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Third step plus 2 minus 1. This is the fourth step. Now question is what? What will happen as you will go here, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, 11 times you have to do, right? Minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2. How many times? 11 times. Just do what will be the step. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last one is minus 3, right? So now you have to calculate. See, minus 3, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. There are 6 minus 3. 6 3 are 18, minus 18. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So plus 10. Minus 18 plus 10 is equal to minus 8. So this was the question third, first part, okay. Means you have to just represent on the 11th step, it will be on the minus 8th step. And second one, just see here. So second, as it is saying that he wants to go 4 steps up. Up what we have to represent? Up we have to represent by positive, right? And down we have to represent by negative. So till 5 we have to go. First he is moving 4 steps up. So 4 and 2 steps down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So this is the second part of the third question. You can see as in the second part it's written that 4 minus 2 minus 4. On the fifth part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 4 3s are 12 and 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 12 minus, 12 minus 4 will come here, not only 1 to 2 2s are there, no, right? So here the answer will be right, 8. So here you can see first answer is minus 8 and second answer is plus 8 of the third part. So as you have seen the first part, second part and third part of this question, I hope all of you will understand. If you are not able to understand, just take a screenshot. Just keep calm to your mind. And the first question as we have solved, I hope all of you have taken a screenshot also or written in the notebook. In the second step also you have to. In the third step it's just opposite. Means all the 11th step you have to just represent the positive and negative number in the first question also, in the second question also. That is our third question. I hope all of you have understood this question number 10, last question of this exercise. And finally, we have completed this chapter. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share these answers of math solutions with your friends. Take a screenshot. Thank you very much for watching.